In this hot summer, what better than a smoothie? And to top it all, if you have mangoes and make it vegan, what else do you want? Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. On that note, let's first understand what a smoothie is. A smoothie is nothing but a milkshake without the component of milk. In this case, the milk is replaced with yogurt or an alternate nut milk like a walnut milk, almond milk or coconut milk. So let's begin with making a smoothie. For this, I'm using fresh Alfonso pulp. And like I said, I'm going to replace the milk, in this case, with coconut milk. Again, if you notice, these are all tropical ingredients. Mangoes, coconuts, later we're going to get into pineapples, bananas and strawberries. To begin with now, let's make a common base and then I'll be showing you some variants. I've added in some pineapple slices and with this, a nice heaped tablespoon of honey. To this, let's add in some cubes of ice. And now, let's blend this. Now this is a nice and smooth blended smoothie, which is the first one of course, which has mango, pineapple, coconut and honey. Let's top this up with some more mangoes. To begin with, some diced mangoes. Finally, a wedge of a mango. I'm going to divide the remaining smoothie in two parts. And of course, this is to create the other flavors. Let's put the blender to get back in action. The first one is going to be a nice, vibrant green colored one. And this has the power of spinach. So this is raw spinach, which I'm going to tear roughly. And add in some nice sweet and tart kiwis. Let's blend this into a nice and smooth smoothie. Our second smoothie is blended and ready. Let's transfer this in a mason jar. And I'm going to garnish this with a slice of kiwi. Now let's move on to the third variety, for which I'm going to take the basic smoothie back in the blender. And to this, I'm going to add in some strawberries. While I'm using fresh strawberries, you could also use frozen berries. And to this now, a ripe banana. At the blending stage in either of the smoothies, you could also add in some oats or some nuts. Let's blend this now into a fine and smooth smoothie. Now that's well blended. This goes straight in a tall glass. And I'm going to garnish this with, of course, a fresh strawberry. So here are 3 mango smoothies, my style. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food. This is Varun Inamdar signing off.